Good morning, my dear students. In this video presentation again, I will discuss some more problems meant for class 12 of CBSE. The first problem meant for today goes like this. Sorry. Solve using matrices 8x plus 4y plus 5 z equal to 1, 4x plus 5y plus 8z equal to 1, 10x plus 3y plus 4z equal to 1. This is the question. Just to read the question. This is the question. Solve using matrices. Solve using matrices, solve using inverse of a matrix, everything is the same. Now let me start with the answer now. Given equations are, just see here, 8x plus 4y plus 5z is equal to 1. Then second equation, 4x plus 5y plus 8z is equal to 1. Then 10x plus 3y plus 4z equal to 1. Okay, these equations can be written as Ax equal to B, where A is the coefficient matrix. First row 8, 4, 5, second row 4, 5, 8, and third row 10, 3, 4. Now X is the column matrix with the variables x, y, z. B is the column matrix, the elements in the right hand side, 1, 1, 1. You just multiply this, you will get 3 equations automatically. Now Ax equal to B implies A inverse into Ax equal to A inverse B. You can very well write pre-multiplying A inverse on both sides. Here I will write it as A inverse into A into X is equal to A inverse B. See here, because matrix multiplication is associative, you can very well write. Which will imply you I3 into X equal to A inverse B. Where I3, I2, I4, everything, it plays the role of number 1 in ordinary number theory. I3 multiplied with X will give you X. Any number multiplied with 1 will give you the same number. Similarly, identity matrix multiplied with the corresponding matrix where the multiplication is possible will give you the same matrix. Therefore, X will become A inverse B. Let me think about to find A inverse. Now step 1. Let me try to find determinant A. Determinant 8, 4, 5, 4, 5, 8, 10, 3, 4, which will be is equal to 8 into 20 minus 24 minus 4 into 16 minus 80 plus 5 into 12 minus 50, which is equal to 8 into minus 4 into minus 64 plus 5 into minus 38, which is reduced to minus 32 minus 32 plus here it will be plus 256, then minus 190. You can check 5 8s are 40, 15 plus 4 190, which is anyway it gets reduced to automatically 256 minus 222 which is reduced to anyway 34. Now determinant A not equal to 0, therefore A inverse exists. This is better for you to write. Now step 2, A transpose, row becomes column, column becomes row. Let me just write the entries here. 8, 4, 10, 4, 5, 3, then of course 5, 8, 4. Now step 3, adjoint A. Actually there are 9 entries. I'll try to write all the 9 entries here itself. Plus determinant, remove the row and column here. 5, 3, 8, 4. Then minus determinant, I have 4, 3, 5, 4. Then plus determinant, I have 4, 5, 5, 8. Then minus determinant. Students used to make a mistake of multiplying 8 here, multiplying 4 here. That is wrong. That is meant only for expansion of determinants. Remember carefully. Now, every element of A transpose replaced by the cofactor. That is the meaning of adjoint A. Then remove the row and column. I'll get 4, 10, 8, 4. Then I'll have plus determinant. I have remove the row and column. I'll get 8, 10, 5, 4. Then minus remove the row and column. I'll get 8, 4, 5, 8. 8, 4, 5, 8. Then plus determinant I have 4, 10, 5, 3. And minus determinant I have 8, 10, 4, 3. 8, 10, 4, 3. Then plus determinant I have 8, 4, 4, 5. 4, 5. Then put the bracket. After all the 9 entries are written, put the bracket. Let me just check. Remove the row and column. 5, 3, 8, 4. I have minus 1 raised to 1 plus 1. Therefore, it becomes plus. 1, this have plus. Here I have minus 1 raised to 1 plus 2. Therefore, plus minus plus. Alternate signs I have for the various terms. Then remove the row and column. 4, 3, 5, 4. Remove row and column. 4, 5, 5, 8. Then remove row and column. 4, 10, 8, 4. Remove row and column. 8, 10, 5, 4. Then remove row and column. I have 8, 4, 5, 8. Then remove row and column for this one 4, 10, 5, 3. Then 8, 10, 4, 3. And finally 8, 4, 4, 5. Yeah. Now for while you simplify, you mean to say 20 minus 24. This will be minus 4. Here 16 minus 15. There is a minus sign. Minus 1. Here 32 minus 25 plus 7. Then here of course 16 minus 80. This will be plus 64. Then 32 minus 50. This will be minus 18. Then of course 64 minus 20. There is a minus sign. Minus 44. 12 minus 50. It will be minus 38. Then of course 24 minus 40. This will be plus 16. And of course 40 minus 16. This will be plus 24. Now your step 4, A inverse is equal to 1 by determinant A into adjoint A. This will be 1 by 34 into these entries. Minus 4, minus 1, 7. 64 minus 18 minus 44. Minus 38, 16, 24. To explain the remaining steps, let me explain this part once again. Given equations I will write. These equations can be written as capital A into capital S equal to capital B. A is known as a coefficient matrix. 8, 4, 5 first row, 4, 5, 8 second row, 10, 3, 4 third row. X is a column matrix with the variables X, Y, Z. B is the column matrix with the entries in the right hand side 1, 1, 1. Ax equal to B. Pre-multiply A inverse on both sides. Write in brackets. I don't have enough space, therefore I am not writing. This can be written as A into X equal to A inverse B because of the reason matrix multiplication is associative. A inverse A into I3 into X is X. Now I need to find A inverse. Step 1, there are 4 steps involved. Determinant A. Determinant 8, 4, 5. 4, 5, 8, 10, 3, 4. 8 into 20 minus 24. Minus 4 into 16 minus 80. This is 80. Plus 5 into 12 minus 50. 8 into minus 4. Minus 4 into minus 64. Plus 5 into minus 38. Minus 32. Plus 256. Minus 190. Okay. 256 minus 222. Yeah. It's reduced to 34. Determinant A not equal to 0, therefore A inverse exists. Step 2, A transpose. Row becomes column, column becomes row. Now for 8, 4, 10 first row, 4, 5, 3 second row, 5, 8, 4 third row. Now replace every element of A transpose by the corresponding cofactor. That is the meaning of adjoint A. Remove row and column, 5, 3, 8, 4 determinant. I'll have plus sign. Remove row column, 4, 3, 5, 4. Remove row column, 4, 5, 5, 8. Remove row and column 4, 10, 8, 4. Remove row and column 8, 10, 5, 4. Remove row and column 8, 4, 5, 8. Remove row and column 4, 10, 5, 3. Remove row and column 8, 10, 4, 3. Remove row and column 8, 4, 4, 5. For 20 minus 24 it becomes minus 4. 16 minus 15, there is a minus sign, minus 1. 32 minus 25 plus 7. 16 minus 80, there is a minus sign, therefore plus 64. 32 minus 15. 32 minus 15. 32 minus 50, sorry. 32 minus 50, minus 18. 64 minus 20, minus 44. There is a minus sign. 12 minus 50, minus 38. 24 minus 40, there is a minus sign, plus 16. 40 minus 16, so 24. Now 1 by 34, these entries will be the corresponding inverse. Let me rub this part, then only we can proceed with the answer. Let me rub this part. Now I have to use x is equal to A inverse B. I have to use x is equal to A inverse B. See here, x is equal to A inverse B. 1 by 34 into minus 4 minus 1 7, 64 minus 18 minus 44, minus 38 16 24, 1 1 1. Let me just multiply 1 by 34 minus 4 minus 1 plus 7, then 64 minus 18 minus 44, minus 38 plus 16 plus 24, which is reduced to 7 minus 5 is 2. Here 44 minus 18 is 62. 64 minus 62 is again 2. 24 plus 16 is 40. 40 minus 38 is 2. Therefore, this will become 1 by 17, 1 by 17, 1 by 17. Therefore, this is nothing but x, y, z equal to this much. Equate the corresponding entries. Therefore, x is equal to y is equal to z equal to 1 by 17. You can just check by substituting the values. 8 plus 4, 12 plus 5, 17 by 17 is 1. 9 plus 8, 17 by 17 is 1. 13 plus 4, 17 by 17 is 1. Therefore, x value is 1 by 17. Y value is 1 by 17. Z value is also 1 by 17. Therefore, let me just check this product once again. Minus 4 minus 7 minus 5 is 2. 64, 44, minus 44 minus 18, 62. 64 minus 62 is 2. 40 minus 38 is 2. 2 by 34 is 1 by 7. 2 by 34 is 1 by 17. 1 by 17, sorry. 2 by 34 is 1 by 17. For x is 1 by 17. Y is 1 by 17. Z is 1 by 17. That will be the final answer. That will be the final answer. Okay. It's a very standard problem. But only in adjoint of a matrix, students used to make a mistake of multiplying the corresponding entries there. That is wrong. Remember carefully. Replace every element of A transpose by the corresponding cofactor. Multiplication of value is there only for expansion of determinant. Expansion of determinant. That error shouldn't be there at the time of writing your adjoint. Remember carefully. Remember that point carefully. Next sum, find sine inverse sine 2 pi by 3 plus cos inverse cos 5 pi by 3. This is the question. Now listen carefully. Sine inverse sine 2 pi by 3 not equal to 2 pi by 3, as 2 pi by 3 does not belong to the principal value branch. Therefore, what I will do is sine inverse sine 2 pi by 3 can be written as sine inverse sine pi minus pi by 3. Just check 3 pi minus pi is this much. But sine pi minus theta is sine theta. Now it's reduced to sine pi by 3, as pi by 3 belongs to the closed interval. This is the principal value branch of range of sine inverse x. Similarly, cos inverse cos 5 pi by 3 not equal to 5 pi by 3, as 5 pi by 3 does not belong to closed interval 0 comma pi. Closed interval 0 comma pi is the principal value branch of range of cos inverse x. See here, 5 into 60 degrees, 300 beyond 180 degrees. Therefore, cos inverse cos 5 pi by 3 can be written as cos inverse cos 2 pi, again pi minus pi by 3. 1 second, I'll just check once again. Yeah, 2 pi minus pi by 3, yeah, I'm right. 6 pi minus pi is this much. This is nothing but so angle in the fourth quadrant, simply cos pi by 3, which is reduced to pi by 3 as pi by 3 belongs to the interval 0, pi. Therefore, sin inverse sin 2 pi by 3 plus cos inverse cos pi by 3 each is equal to pi by 3 plus pi by 3. The final answer is 2 pi by 3. Final answer happens to be 2 pi by 3. Let me just repeat the whole process. Sin inverse sin 2 pi by 3 not equal to 2 pi by 3 as 2 pi by 3 does not belong to this interval. This is beyond 90 degrees. If you want to convert it into degree measure, you will be able to find out. This can be written as sin pi minus pi by 3. 3 pi minus pi is 2 pi. Sin pi minus theta is sin theta. It gets reduced to pi by 3 as pi by 3 lies in the principal value branch, this closed interval. Again, this is not equal to 5 pi by 3 as pi by 3 does not belong to closed interval 0, pi. This is the principal value branch of range of cos inverse x. Principal value branch of range of sin inverse x. Remember carefully. Can be written as 2 pi minus pi by 3. 6 pi minus pi is pi by 3. Cos 2 pi minus theta is cos theta. This is replaced by pi by 3. Pi by 3 belongs to this. Therefore, this plus this gets reduced to pi by 3 plus pi by 3. Final answer is 2 pi by 3. As usual, I'll check for the calculations everywhere once again, then upload. If there is any correction, I'll just add up at the end. Thank you, students, for patient watching.